traders, this is TFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. In this video, we are going to, this is part 2. There is a last video before this, sorry, we did analysis, right? That was a full technical analysis through our system, how our system makes things easier for you to analyze the market. Now, in this video, it is the result of the previous technical analysis video that I shared with you guys now to see the real performance of the system and what I said exactly. Watch that videos so that you can understand how our system works, and now see what I said, if it is true or it is not true, because we have already banked, as I said. In our previous video, we talked about if when all time frames align, we hold for more profit. You can see we were waiting for a breakout candle. You can see here that breaks this resistance, and we can see it here automatically. And I said after there, we will go to minute 3, because this is where now we entered the trades, right? We use this minute 3 confirmation 1 time frame, and as you can see, the area was already taken out. All right, the area we talked about. Let me bring my pen. Sorry, let me bring my pen here so that everyone can understand what I'm saying. This is the zone that we were talking about in minute 3, that we were waiting for the market to break this zone. You can go back to that video and watch, and we said if this zone market will break at this point, we'll be looking for sale. But you can see the zone was broken with a good bullish momentum candle. Let me zoom, maybe you can see it was taken out or broken with a good bullish momentum. Then from there, we enter the trades, all right, and automatically we banked just $1,000. There is some of the account we have banked more than almost $2,000, but I'm just giving a good example with this one of the live account, and see how easy it is, because you can see there is no any loss, and this is just one trade, and others we add more position when the market try to reverse, and we are good to go. So if you go back to our previous, we talked about what if all time frames align. You can see we have a good breakout candle here. So this means, again, in minute 3, we are waiting for the market to create a good reversal, and I think it has already created. We were waiting for the market to reverse and to take out here with a good bullish momentum. What you're missing here, it's a good bullish momentum, so that again we can bank for this buy. Why am I saying that we can bank? Because now in minute 20 there is a good confirmation of this breakout, and again, so we are waiting for the market again to break this area, and I think that we'll have a good breakout in minute 3. So minute 20 is going to give us a breakout, but is very risky because it will be approaching this area. But if we can get a good breakout here at this point, let me zoom here. Here, because this is still this is internal structure that we have been talking about, that the market must create. So if the market breaks here with a good bullish momentum in minute 3, we are going also to re-enter that market, because it is a hit and run. So don't forget, we do what called hit and run. So we'll be approaching this high of minute 20, and that's enough to bank a good money in minute 3. Imagine there you can bank more than 1,000 or 500. It depends also with the lot size. So when we are going to approach this area, and I think I believe we are waiting for minute 3. If it can give us a good bullish momentum here, we can enter this trade now here live, so that you can see what I'm talking about, targeting the next high. The next high for minute in minute 20, it is already here, and we can see that is a distance for minute 3, because that one can give us a good profit, right? So here we do hit and run. Our first TP can be there, and the next one can be there. So those are the things that we are waiting before taking the trade. So I would advise you to go back to our previous video and see that technical analysis so that you can understand why we took this trade. So it's obvious, guys. It is obvious, all right? It is obvious, and we can bank more money, guys. So those are what we are targeting, and I think according to the way I'm seeing this market, probably it's gonna give us another entry. But in this video, I don't want it to be that long. I just wanted you to see the technical analysis we did earlier, because that's how the system does. But the good thing is, you don't just struggle to master the system. You have all time that it takes for you to master the system, and you'll be earning because your account will be connected with our account through COPIER. All right. And again, you'll be banking. Let's see this one of the copy here with only 0.02. You can see only those two signals, that single signal with 0.02, we managed to make 185. 0.02, it's a very, very good, manageable, but you can see it can also pay the bills. It is very easier because you don't just learn or master the system, you learn and earn. So you connect your account with ours through FX Blue Copier. Everything that is there, so that you can start immediately earning. When we trade, you trade. All right. When we mentor, you understand, and you'll become a guru or and a master to our system. So because we saw that some people are struggling, they don't have time to learn everything, to master everything, because they are still employed, businessmen, blah, 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 blah. And this is why we suggested everyone who purchased our system must be given a free copier so that you can start earning and learning. So there is no any excuse, whether you're employed, whether you don't know about how the system works. All you need it is to purchase our EA at 850 and get signal generating for free, and all other services for free. Or you can purchase our signal generating EA at only 650, and that is lifetime license, and a free copier will be also a lifetime. So you have to earn. This is the year we said that we are going to take the market or our trades into a higher level. And I do believe for those people who have joined, thank you so much. And now you can see I'm keeping my words, and everyone is enjoying, even without understanding the system. Even those people who want to pursue or to win a pro farm, or what we call I think it's pro farm. This is FTMO, things like that. This is all you need. You just connect your account with ours, and you are good to win any challenge, and you'll be funded. Trust us and join us and test us, because our result speaks on our behalf. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.